Hey guys, this is Faith GFX here, and this is my first tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my logos. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, like and subscribe and comment down below. Alright, so first off, the way I make logos is I draw them out, and today I'm going to be trying to draw out a H and 4 concept logo. And I'm going to draw this out, so I'll be right back. Alright, once you're satisfied with your sketch of your logo, make sure you boldly outline the edges and make sure it looks clean. And then take a picture of it, and you must go to background eraser, which I'll include all of the links to these apps down below in the description. Okay, so now what you want to do in background eraser is take the picture, and basically what you want to do is like erase all the paper and just leave the outline. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look clean, just get a little accurate. It's gonna look a little dirty, but it's alright. Alright, so once you go into Pixellab, load up your logo, and what I do for my logos is I use the shapes to make it a precise, like, I guess, fit. Alright, so you can use any color you want, but I'm using black today so I can outline my logo. And basically all you do is, well, what I'm doing right now is, you know, you can change it any size you want, but I'm just gonna use one size and just copy and paste. And position it how you want. It's not gonna be perfect, it might be perfect. You can always fix it in Pixellab the way you want. So let me do this real quick and I'll get back to you with the finished product. What you doing to me? This was never supposed to be. You see what you're doing to me. Oh. Alright, that's how you make a logo from scratch, or at least that's how I make it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see more of, tutorials, edits, anything like that. I'm all up for it. I hope you guys have a good day, and goodbye. I'll give you